So this is how the courts look like this morning. So LP has set up their TV and JBL speaker for today's hearing. Um, yeah, so this is how the courts look like. So there is two big screen here plus the one that is in the court already, making it four screens that will be playing the video that they have as evidence to tender today. And like we said, the star witness, the professor of mathematics who was here yesterday to give his evidence but was not actually cross-examined, will also be in court today to actually be cross-examined. So today is going to be an interesting time, one of those important moments, in